Hope you are doing well. Now look at the question. Manish bought a car for rupees 1,50,000 and sold it for rupees 2,10,000. Find the profit percentage made by him on selling the car. Now in this example, what is given? Cost price of the car. How much? 1,50,000, and sold this car at rupees 2,10,000. Now what is the question? The profit percentage to be found. Now profit percentage to be found means profit percentage. How to calculate the profit percentage? Profit percentage means profit by cost price into 100. The profit by cost price into 100 results the percentage of profit. Now if you observe the values of CP and SP, cost price and selling price is more here. The selling price more means results the profit value. So how to find the profit value? Just the difference of the CP and SP. Now what is the CP value? Now it is 1,50,000 and the selling price 2,10,000. So 2,10,000 minus 1,50,000, the difference in these two is rupees 60,000. Now 60,000 is the profit value. The profit value is 60,000 and the cost price it is 1,50,000. Now percentage means into 100. Now solving this. Now 3 zeros and 3 zeros we can cancel. 50 2 times, 50 3 times. Now what about 3? Here it goes 20 times. Now the result is 40% is the profit percent. Now the right answer for this question, option 3. A trader sold a television set for rupees 27,500 and gained 10%. Find the cost price of the television set. Now what is given in this example? The television set sold means selling price. Selling price of the television set is 27,500. Now on selling the articles, the television set at 27,500, making a profit. Profit or gain meaning is same. The profit is 10%. 10% is the profit means what is its cost price? Cost price to be found. Now what is the formula to find the cost price means? There is a formula to find the cost price using the selling price means selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus or minus profit or loss percent by 100. Now the value of ASP, selling price is given here. How much? 27,500. Now cost price to be found into 100 plus 10%. Profit is given, so add it to 100. So 100 plus 10 is a 110 by 100. If loss percent is given, subtract from 100. Solving this, now the cancellation 0 to 0 we can cancel. 11, it goes how many times? 25 times into 75. Of course 2 zeros are there, so we get 2500 into 10. It is a cost price of the article. It is 25,000. Now what is the correct option for this one? Choice 1. Of course we can answer the same question in other way. What is the second discussion for the same question? Now I am assuming the cost price. In a profit and loss, cost price is a base value. I am assuming the cost price as a 100%. When the cost price is a 100%, profit is a 10% means the selling price of the article is 110% of its cost price. The value of 110% of is given here as a 27,500. Now what to find? The 100% value. Just by doing cross multiplication we get answer. Now before cross multiplication, just observe the multiplication factor here. 110 is becoming 27,500 means 0 to 0 we can cancel. 11 into 25 results 275. So what is the result? So it goes 250 times. 250 times means 250 times of 100 results 25,000. So what is the cost price? 25,000 is the cost price. The choice is option 1. Akhil bought 2 bags of wheat for rupees 850 each. He sold one bag at a profit of 16% and the other at a loss of 12%. What is the profit? What is the net profit or loss percentage made by him. Now cost price of 2 bags is given. What is the cost price? It's the same. Now let's start with the cost price. Now what is the first discussion? Cost price of the article is same, means now here 850, total he invested 1700 to purchase 2 bags. Now what is the profit percentage? Percentage of profit is 16 on the first bag. Loss is 12%. It is on the second bag. The profit percent is 16 on the first bag, incurred a loss on the second bag as a 12%. Now profit is 16%, means now 16% on 850. So what is the 16% on 850? It is a 136. When you add 136 to this 850, results 986. Now what about the loss percent? Loss percent on the 12% is 12% on 850. 12% on 850, it is a 102. 102 when subtracted results is 748. Now what is the sum of these two values? It is 1734. The total cost price is 1700, total selling price is 1734. The selling price is more than the cost price. When selling price is more than the cost price, results profit. So profit is equal to 34. What is the profit percentage? Percentage of profit means profit by cost price into 100. So what is the value of profit? 34. Now the cost price is 1700. 1700 into 100. Now solving this, zeros to 0 we can cancel. 2 times of 17 is 34. Now what is the percentage? 2% is the profit percent. Now what is the right choice? Option 1. We can answer the same question in another way. Now look at the conditions here. What is the condition here? The cost price of the 2 articles is same. What is the first condition? Cost price of the 2 articles is same. Now what is the percentage of profit? Percentage of profit is 16 and the percentage of loss, it is 12. Now what is the condition? What are the conditions here? CP is same, percentage and the percentage of profit and the percentage of loss, it is not equal. In such a case, now what is the answer means? Now profit and loss by 2 means A plus or minus B by 2. A is nothing but one of the 2 percentages, B is the other. Now profit percentage 16, loss percentage it is a 12 by 2. The result is 4 by 2, it is a positive 4, hence it is a profit percent, profit of 2%. A man bought 2 cows for the same price. He sold both the cows, one at a profit of 10%, other at a loss of 10%. Find his overall profit or loss percent. Now what is given in this example? The man bought 2 cows at the same price. The cost price is not given, hence I am assuming the cost price as X. So both the cows means X and X. Now what is the result here? 2X. Total investment means total cost price. What is the profit percentage? The first one profit percentage here 10% and the second one a loss of 10%. Then what is the overall profit or loss percent? Overall profit or loss percent to be find. If profit is there, find the profit percent. If loss is loss occurred, means loss percentage to be find. Now what is the selling price of the first cow? Now he sold the both cows. Now the first one at a 10% profit means 10% on X means 10% additionally we need to add. 10% of X is equal to, now 10% of X is more means now it is a 110% of the original value. 110% means 110 by 100. 110 by 100 results 1.1X. Whereas the second cow is sold at a loss of 10%. Loss of 10% means 100 minus 10 results 90%. So 90% of the original value. 90% means 90 by 100 results 0.9X. Now sum of these two results the total selling price. Total selling price is also 2X. Now cost price as well as selling price, both the values are the same. When these two values are same, what is the result? It is neither profit nor loss. So neither profit nor loss means 0%. What is the right choice? option 4. Of course, we can answer the same question in other way. What is the second discussion? The second discussion means, now look at the points here. Now, what are the points means? Now, in this example, the cost to price of the two articles same. So, CP1, CP2, both are equal. Whatever the percentage of profit and percentage of loss, percentage of profit and percentage of loss, both are also equal. When the question is satisfying these two conditions, directly we can say it is a neither profit nor loss. Neither profit nor loss means 0%. Nilesh sold two television sets at the same price. He gained 25% on one and lost 25% on the other. What is his overall profit or loss percentage? Now, in this question, what is given? Selling price is given. What is the selling price? The selling price of the television set is same. The television set selling price is same, means I am assuming the values as X. So, each television set is X rupees, means the total value it is a 2X. The first one is sold at a profit of 25% and the second one at a loss of 25%. So, what about the cost price of the first article and the second article? Now, what is the cost price of the first television set means? Now, when you assume this value as 100%, now it is 125%. 125% of the cost price is equal to X, means what is the 100% value? Now, just to look at this calculation. Now, 100% to be fine when 125% is X rupees. By doing cross multiplication, what is the result? 100 into X by 125 is the cost price of the first set. Means X by 125 is 1% value into 100 results for X by 5. That is the cost price of the first television set. Similarly, second set. What is the cost price of the second set means? Now, when you assume the cost price as 100, now 25% is a loss, means 75%. 75% of the cost price is X. What is the 1% value? 1% is equal to X by 75. 100% is into 100. So, 100 by 75 into X results for X by 3. That is the cost of the second television set. Adding these two, we get the total cost price. What is the total cost price here? Sum of these two. The LCM is 15. Now, what about the numerators? 3 times of 4, 12. 5 times of 4, 20. 20 plus 12, it is a 32X. Total cost price is 32X. Total selling price is 2X. Now, if you observe these two, on comparing these two, we get CP value as a more. When CP is more than its SP, then results loss. Now, what is the loss? Loss means CP minus SP value. The value of the CP, it is a 32X by 15. The value of SP is equal to 2X. Now, solving this, now what is that? 15 into 2, 30. 32 minus 30 results 2X by 15. The loss value is 2X by 15. What is a loss percentage? Loss percentage means loss by cost price into 100. The value of loss is 2X by 15. The loss is 2X by 15 and the cost price is 32X by 15, means divided by 32X by 15. Percentage means into 100. Solving this, now 2X by 15 into 15 by 32X into 100. Simplify. Now, what is the cancellation? 15 to 15 we can cancel. Now, 2X it goes how many times? In 32X, 16 times. 1 by 16 means half of 1 by 8. By using our reciprocal values, we can say 1 by 8 is equal to 12 and half. So, what is the half of 12 and half? It is a 6.25%. So, half of 1 by 8 is a 1 by 16. 1 by 8 is 12.5. So, half of 12.5, it is a 6.25. It is a loss percent. Now, right option for this question is option 3. Now, we can answer the same question in another way. Just look at the conditions here. What is given in this example? Selling price of the two articles is same. Means the first one, second selling price, both are equal. What is the second condition? Percentage of profit and the percentage of loss. These two are also same. When the selling price is equal and the percent of profit and loss is also same, then there will be always a loss of x square by 100%. X square by 100% means what is the profit percentage? It is at 25%. What is the loss percentage? It is also 25%. X is nothing but 25. So 25 into 25 by 100. So 25 square, it is 625 by 100. The right answer here, it is 6.25% loss.